They look like aliens, drift like ghosts, and sting like electric wires, and they've been roaming our oceans for over 500 million years. Jellyfish might seem simple, but these gelatinous drifters are full of surprises. From glowing in the dark to living without a brain, these creatures are way more fascinating than you might think. So get ready, because here are 10 amazing facts about jellyfish that'll make you see them in a whole new light. 1. Not exactly fish. Despite their slippery name, jellyfish aren't fish at all. Real fish have bones, brains, gills, and complex organs, but jellyfish? They're boneless, brainless, and completely spineless. Instead of being fish, they're actually invertebrates from the phylum Cnidaria, making them distant relatives of corals and sea anemones. They don't even swim like fish, most of the time, they just drift with the currents like living ocean parachutes. 2. Global inhabitants. Jellyfish are true ocean wanderers. You can find them just about anywhere, from warm tropical waters to the icy depths of the Arctic and Antarctic. Some even hang out thousands of feet below the surface in total darkness, while others drift near sunlit shores. They've been discovered under sea ice, in deep-sea trenches, and even in some salty lakes. No matter where you go in the ocean, chances are, there's a jellyfish not too far away, just silently floating by like a translucent ghost. 3. Diverse sizes. Jellyfish come in an incredible range of sizes. Some species are barely the size of a coin, while others look like something out of a sea monster movie. The lion's mane jellyfish, for example, can have tentacles stretching over 100 feet long. On the flip side, there are plenty of small delicate species that float along unnoticed. Whether they're massive or miniature, their bodies are mostly made of water, giving them that classic wobbly look. 4. Important food source. Jellyfish aren't just mesmerizing to watch, they're also a vital part of the ocean's food web. Sea turtles, especially leatherbacks, love snacking on them. So do ocean sunfish, seabirds, and even some species of larger jellyfish. And in some parts of the world, humans eat them too, especially in East Asia, where jellyfish are considered a delicacy. So while they might seem like drifting blobs, jellyfish play a big role in keeping marine ecosystems in balance, and in some cases, dinner plates full. 5. Jellyfish Lake. Tucked away on the tiny island nation of Palau lies one of the most magical places on Earth, Jellyfish Lake. This marine lake is home to millions of golden jellyfish that have evolved in isolation over thousands of years. And here's the wild part, they've lost most of their sting. Because they don't have natural predators in the lake, they don't need strong stingers. Visitors can actually snorkel among them, surrounded by clouds of jellies gently pulsing through the water. 6. 95% water. Jellyfish are basically living water balloons. Around 95% of their bodies are made of water, which is why they look so delicate and almost invisible in the ocean. That's also why, when they wash up on shore, they can seem like they've just melted into the sand. With no bones or complex organs, it's pretty amazing that something so simple can survive, and even thrive, all over the world's oceans. 7. Stinging cells. Those flowing jellyfish tentacles? Beautiful, but deadly, at least for small prey. They're lined with special cells called cnidocytes, which contain tiny spring-loaded harpoons known as nematocysts. When triggered, these microscopic darts shoot out and inject venom in a fraction of a second. It's how jellyfish catch food, and how they protect themselves. Some stings just cause mild irritation, but others can be extremely painful, or even dangerous to humans. It's nature's version of a booby trap, built right into their body. 8. Lifespan. When it comes to lifespan, jellyfish are all over the place. Some species only live a few days or weeks, while others can last several months or even years. But here's where it gets wild, there's one species, Turritopsis dohrnii, often nicknamed the immortal jellyfish, that can actually reverse its aging process and revert back to its youthful form. It's not exactly eternal life, but it's the closest thing nature has come to it. Talk about a real-life Benjamin Button of the sea. 9. Bioluminescent beauty. Some jellyfish don't just float, they glow. Thanks to a natural phenomenon called bioluminescence, many jellyfish can light up in brilliant blues, greens, and purples. This glow can serve different purposes, like confusing predators, attracting prey, or even communicating in the deep sea. And it's not just for show. Scientists have actually used jellyfish proteins to help develop glowing markers in medical research. So yes, jellyfish are not only lighting up the ocean, they're lighting up science too. 10. Ocean drifters. Jellyfish don't exactly swim, they drift. They're part of the plankton family, meaning they mostly go wherever the ocean currents take them. Sure, they can pulse their bell to move up and down a bit, but steering? Not really their thing. This drifting lifestyle helps them travel long distances without using much energy. Some jellyfish can even form massive swarms called blooms that drift together for miles. It's like a slow-motion jelly parade, just cruising along the sea. And there you have it, 10 amazing facts about jellyfish. From glowing in the dark to living without brains, these mysterious drifters prove that you don't have to be complex to be incredible. If you enjoyed floating through these facts, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild wonders from the animal kingdom. Until next time, stay curious, and watch where you swim.